Hello friends and welcome back to the Regulation channel. So friends, today I will talk about Kubuntu introduced the 6th generation M2 laptop. So friend, Kubuntu is introduced the 6th generation M2 model. A sustainable upgrade in CPU, GPU, display and NVMe. So friend, the Focus team claims the M2 generation 6 laptop is super choice for anyone looking for the best out of the Linux experience with optimized and validated hardware and Focus system are used by developers, DevOps, ML researchers, creators and others who value their time and unmatched Linux first support. So friend, a faster, cooler and quieter CPU performance with Intel Core Ultra 9 275H processor with 24 cores and its gain 5 to 15% performance and is up to 40% more efficient between 30 to 40% faster graphics benchmark performance and 50% more VRAM and NVIDIA GeForce Blackwell 5070 Ti GPU. This feature 12GB GDDR7 VRAM and 4th generation ray tracing and 5th generation Tensor core and the taller and larger 525 nit 16-inch display with WQHD resolution and G-Sync and 16:10 aspect ratio. And the storage option is PCIe generation 5.0, 2 additional PCIe 4.0 slot and up to 12 TB of total storage, and the connectivity ports including 2 USB-C 3.2 port with Thunderbolt and DisplayPort and power in 2 USB-A 3.2, HDMI 2.1, 2.5 Gigabit RJ-45 Ethernet port and 2-in-1 audio for headphone and microphone. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.